Solve the equation x over 3 minus 5 is equal to 1. So, combined like terms natin, no? So, negative 5 and 1, they are like terms. So, shortcut na lang tayo. Bring down yung x over 3. Bring down yung 1. So, yung negative 5, pag i-transfer natin yan sa kabila, so, tatawid siya or dadaan siya ng equal sign. From negative 5, magiging positive 5. Bring down natin to. So, 1 plus 5 equals 6. So, over 1, whole number kasi yan. Cross multiply. So, x times 1 equals x. And 3 times 6 equals 18. So, our answer, x is equal to 18.